Leon R. Felix.
What name?
Hari Ramdas.
Eh?
Hari Ram.
Hare Ram Das.
Oh, Hare Ram Das.
Madeleine Ryan.
Ryan.
Ryan. I think this is strange.
Where? Oh, what name?
Mukhara.
Eh?
Mukhara.
Mukhara Devi.
Oh, Mukhra Devi ki jai. What is the meaning of Mukhra? What is the meaning of Mukhra? Eh?
Grandmother of Srimati Radhika. Okay, ठीक तुम.
Oh, very forward. And speaking, oh, very, what?
Bold.
Boldly.
Straightforward.
And she is the mother of Kirtika Devi.
Grandmother.
Very, Radhika is very lovely to her. A very high class of Brijvasi. All want to be with her. And she can give any benediction to anyone. Mukhra. So Mukhra Devi ki. You should try to follow Mukhra Devi.
Trilochan Das.
Good name.
Same name.
Or same name, no harm. Trilochan Prabhu ki.
Josue Valencia Vargas.
She has gone perhaps.
Yadunath.
Where? Where he?
He went to change clothes.
He is not here.
He went to change his clothes.
Oh, what name? Jadunath.
Yadunath.
Oh, Jadunath Das ki. Who is
Marco
Jadunath?
Yadunath, Lord of the Yadu dynasty?
Who?
Well,
Krishna.
Krishna. Swamsa.
But Mathuresh Krishna.
Yes, Matu.
No. First he should be Mathuresh and then Brajnath.
Marcos Ivanovsky.
Mohan Lal.
Who? Here he is.
Marcos, where are you?
Not here. Not here.
Mohan Lal.
Where he is?
I don't know.
So what name?
Mohan Lal.
Mohan Lal. Oh, Mohan Prabhu ki. Okay.
Yes. Maharaj. Manage that mic. So go a little back.
I will read book. I will see. You can give some rope here also. Like any patient in hospital. This is the Western
Style. Western style, Western culture.
Yes, Western culture.
Techno style.
अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वञ्चाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरत्विषे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो। यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातरया जुहाव। पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तर्वोऽभिनेदु तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानुतोऽस्मि। तवैवास्मि न जीवामि त्वया विना इति विज्ञाय राधे तं नय माम चरणन्ति। Mahaprabhu is telling to Sanatana Goswami on the bank of Jamuna and Ganga in Kashi. So come there. Mahaprabhu is sitting on the ground, but on the bank of Ganga. Sanatana Goswami, like a student praying and hearing very attentively, like he is drinking nectar from his cup of ears. He is telling, कामलाग कृष्ण भजे पाए कृष्ण रसे काम छाड़ी दास होते है अभिलाष। 22 chapter 41. Yeah. Who is ready? Please.
Kamalagi Krishna Bhaji, Hare Krishna Rasa. Kamalagi Krishna Bhaji. When? No sound. Hare Krishna. When?
No, it's coming.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. When someone engages.
No sound.
Yes. When?
Why not come?
When someone engages in Lord Krishna's devotional service.
No sound.
When Hare Krishna. When someone
What? No sound?
No, but I can shout very loud.
So you can take this.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Lila chapter 22 text 41 translation by Sri A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. When someone engages in Lord Krishna's devotional service for the satisfaction of the senses and instead acquires a taste to serve Krishna, he gives up his material desires and willingly offers himself as an eternal servant of Krishna.
No purport?
No.
Some?
No purpose.
Krishna is so merciful. If anyone chanting, remembering him, and if any wants to fulfill his desire, sense gratification, very soon Krishna gives it. And after that what he does? he takes away all his worldly desires. And very soon he gets a test in his pure bhakti. A boy of 5 years, Dhruva, he went to his father with his step brother. King took the step brothers, Uttam, in his lap. It means, oh, he is now,
King.
no, not king, like princess, prince.
Prince.
And after him, he will be king. It means. Dhruva wanted to also to sit in his lap because he was senior and elder than him and very qualified. And king also wanted to take in his lap. But at once the stepmother told, oh, you should die and come in my home, take new birth, then you are qualified to sit in the lap of your father, and then you can be king. If you are not coming from my home, oh, you cannot be. You are not qualified. King was fearing from his that wife. Why? Because she was so beautiful. So beautiful. And she was some younger, young more. So king used to fear. Though the first was very qualified, very devotee, pure devotee, but Krishna, that king rejected. He wanted to have some love and affection world with that Suruchi. So when he rejected king and fearing from his wife, then the boy began to weep like poisonous snakes. He at once came to house and he was weeping so bitterly. Mother asked, why you are weeping? And what he told? King rejected me, my father. But I want to have a kingdom like that. His mother told us, oh, your elder brother is Hari. Why not going? And he has powerful to give this. So you should call your elder brother and he will come and give that position. More than that. Where he is? Oh, he is everywhere, but you can go in forest and alone where there are no anyone, nirjan,
solitary place,
solitary place, and you should call him with tear. At once in the midnight, no permission with anyone, even to her mother also, and he quickly gave up the home and went to very dangerous forest in Madhuban. Only tigers and bears at that time in Madhuban. And he made a very fixed determination. I will do or die. And thus he wanted to call Krishna. In the meantime, Narad came. He is very merciful. Oh boy, why you are like so? You should return to your home. Otherwise, wild beasts, tiger, mad elephants and all will eat you. Oh, don't I care. I don't care. I have come to call my elder brother, Hari. Oh, it is not so easy. You should return and go to home. He tried so much, but he was fixed. Then he told, oh, now you are right. I am giving you one mantra, and he gave mantra. You should take bath in Jamuna and go to this place, Madhuban, on a high place. In 6 months you will have the darshan of hurry, and then you can bake. He went there. First month, only leaves, dry leaves. After 7 days, some water. Next month, what? Giving up leaves. After 15 days, he began to take some water. And after 1 month, even left water. Only after 1 month or so much, he used to take some
Air. Breath.
stop there. And after 4 months, he totally was. Whole world began to
Tremble.
like fire. Brahma and demigods became very worried. And at once Narayan came in his heart, 400. Oh, now he became very happy. Narayan came out of his heart and came
In front of him.
on front him on ground. And he saw, oh, Krishna, Narayan is here. Narayan gave a bond that you will have the kingdom of whole universe. First is this earth, whole earth. For 33,000 years, you will test the kingdom. And telling he disappeared. Oh, now he was lamenting, so much lamenting. Why I took this bone? I came to search broken glass pieces. But what happened? At once,
A diamond came.
what?
A diamond.
Diamond. What kinds of diamond?
Transcendental jewel.
Jewel. It can give lakhs and lakhs. Oh, you can see it. There were sub chairs. You should supply them. Oh, young person, they should give chairs. Young person, they should come here. You can sit. Thank you. So, he was crying bitterly. Why I requested a boon for this? Oh, so much fie on me. I could not realize that diamond or desire diamond. I only collected some broken glasses. What is broken glass? No value of these worldly things, kingdom and all things. He was weeping so much. Then yes, a real voice came and pacified. Don't worry. You wanted this, so you will have to
Taste. Taste this.
to test for
1,000 years.
36,000 years. And then you will have bhakti, pure bhakti. You have begun your pure bhakti. But then, you will have some special dham above. Oh, he was weeping. I have lost my 36,000 of years. Why I did so? So he came in his kingdom and his father gave his whole kingdom and plus the kingdom of whole this universe. And after, when he became old, then no death. He put his feet
On the head of
on the head of death. And with that body, he went to Dhruva. What doing there? What doing? Oh, it is not mortal land. Transcendental. But no service. Because he was not so much good association afterward like Narad and others. He was not in association of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu associates. I think you are more fortunate than Dhruva. But also, what? Very weak. He was determined.
Determined.
But you some weak. You will see any very first class or beauty, at once you will be attracted. I am telling for each other. So they say demarcation line. Be careful. So, don't be attracted. You have so much chance to hear Mahaprabhu's this katha. But if you have no trust in this, then your life is useless. I told yesterday. So Krishna is so merciful that even for any desire, you are calling Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.
But, careful for offenses. No offenses. It may be some unwanted thing, desire. No harm. But there should be no offense to Guru, Vaishnava, Hari. Nama, Parad and all. Very, very. If you are doing it unknowingly, then it is what? Like a pap, sin. But if you are knowing and you are now devotee, knowing all these things and doing again and again that, then aparad. So you should be very careful for this. संसार भ्रमित कनो भाग्य के हो तरे नदीर प्रवाहे जनो काष्ठ लागी तीरे महाप्रभु स्टोरी बट
There are unlimited conditioned souls who are bereft of Lord Krishna's service. Not knowing how to cross the ocean of nescience, they are scattered by waves, time and tide. However, some are fortunate to contact devotees, and by this contact they are delivered from the ocean of nescience, just like a log floating down a river accidentally washes upon the bank.
कोनो भाग्य के होता है. What is the meaning of कोनो भाग्य?
How fortunate.
What fortunate?
Meet a devotee.
Exceptional good fortune. To get sadhu sangha.
Any sukriti. That is sukriti. What is that sukriti?
Association is sadhu.
Huh?
Cause association is sadhu.
What?
Association of good sadhus. Sadhu sangha.
Anyhow, if you are in connection of Krishna or any associates of Krishna or Tadiya Vastu, Tadiya means
Related to Krishna.
Tulasi,
Ganga.
Ekadashi, Ganga,
Yamuna.
Nam, his birthplace,
Vaishnava.
pastime places. Oh, these are
Stadiya.
Tadiya. So if you are anyhow in connection, oh, this is called very powerful. And then any high class of devotees will come to you. Certainly he will come. Krishna will arrange. Like Sukdev Goswami, like Narad Goswami, like Rupa Goswami, like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went through whole India, here and there. And those who saw from his glance, at once they become Vaishnava. Rup Sanatan and all others like that. All very powerful. दूरदर्शने ते जहार ऐसे कृष्ण प्रेम.
এমন দয়ালু প্রভু নাহি ত্রিভুবনে কৃষ্ণ প্রেম জন্মায় যার দূরদর্শনে.
Oh, anyone? Oh, tigers, bears, any animals, humans, Pukkas, Chandal, Dravida, Khasadaya, all they may be anyone. And they are saying, oh, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Rup Goswami is coming. Oh, what? Oh, miracle will be done. We, not liberated soul, we are sadhak, simple sadhak. And so many persons are inspired. And if Chaitanya, any associate, liberated, and coming, what will be? Now you are 3, and then will be 3 lakhs. All will be inspired. So, this is only संसार भ्रमिते कोनो भाग्यवान जी कौन माने रेयर. I know that in Alachua it may be 1 lakh population whole.
100,000.
No.
600 devotees.
Not devotees, I am.
In district, county?
Population,
2 lakh.
I have told less. I told 1 lakh, but really 2 lakhs.
In the whole
In devotees, 500 families.
600
And in them, how are you here?
Your mercy.
Only few. So in this world, a very big population. In India alone, 1 Arab,
1 billion.
1 billion. China also more than this. Half of the whole world population, India and China.
India also more than 1 billion.
India is more than China.
Oh, India is somewhat jumping from China also. Very quick.
20%.
They cannot support and nourish their children, even jumping in population. Very thick population. But how many are devotees? If there are some devotees, but not pure devotee. If they are pure devotee, but not Krishna. If they are Krishna devotee, but so many things. Not one-pointed. They worship here, there. And if they are one-pointed, what doing? Oh, for mukti.
The liberation.
And among them, very rare are that they want only one pure bhakti. In pure bhakti, oh, dasaras, very few. Among them, very few sakha. In them, very few. In lakhs and lakhs, very few. What? Vatsalas, very few. And among lakhs and lakhs Vatsalas devotees, oh, very rare. What? Gopi mood. In lakhs of gopi mood, it may be Chandravali, Bhadra, Shyamla, here, there. Oh, in the group of here, there. Very rare among them. What? In the group of Srimati Radhika. But even in a Lalita group, oh, very rare are most devoted to Lalita. In Lalita group, oh, very few in the guidance of Rupa. Very few.
Jai Shri Gurudev.
So, नदी रो प्रवाह है जेनो काष्टी लागी तीरे. What is the meaning? Oh, like a river. Can you explain this? नदी रो प्रवाह है जेनो काष्ट लागी तीरे.
Like the force of a river. I don't know the rest.
You can you?
Microphone, please.
Just as
What do you want to say?
No, go.
Like by the force of the river, the wooden log may come to the shore, so the jiva may come in contact with such pure devotee.
More? What do you want? You should explain.
in this material world, the jiva is carried along in so many activities. He doesn't know who am
No, you
I.
should come to this point. Don't make it long, that 1 hour it will take. He can take 2 or 3 hours.
So it may be that as the log is floating in the river, it will wash up on the bank. So in the same way, jivas in this world, they are traveling and traveling. And it may be that they come in contact with sadhus or anything to do with Krishna, like Ekadasi, Janmashtami festival, Mahaprasadam. And in this way they make some sukriti. And when their sukriti is accumulated, then they wash up on the shore. That means they come into good association and enter into the line of pure bhakti.
Like a river. Don't do. It makes me. Don't do. You should try to listen and keep here. And if you are not doing, you cannot keep it. Like a river. There is flood in river. In flood, you know that from various parts of places, so many things coming together. And sometimes they make a tapu, island. No? Sometimes. Of sands from here and there, cutting here, there, and they take it in one place and it becomes island. And sometimes islands cutting and going here, there. If there is a straw there, where it will go? In that flood, any certainty? It may go to ocean, to here and there. But anyhow, there was wind, favorable wind, and it was not in the direct current.
Strong current.
So anyhow, by the help of wind, that straw came where?
Bank of
On the
river.
bank of the river.
How it came?
By chance.
Inconceivable.
Huh?
Bhagya.
Bhagya. Anyhow, so we are like draw straw. No strong, no strength, nothing. But if you have done in your past life something related to Krishna, then by the wish of Krishna, endless mercy, you can be in land. What is land? Association of bhakti is land. And that is high class of association, they will give you so much power, inspire you, and then they will manage your Gurudev, Shiksha Guru, Diksha Guru, initiation, serving of Gurudev, and gradually Nishtha will come, then test will come, then Asakti will come, more Shuddha Sat will come, and thus your life will be successful. So he is telling you. কোনো ভাগ্যে কারো সংসার খায়নমুখ হয় সাধু সঙ্গ তরে কৃষ্ণ রতি পজায়. Anyone who is so fortunate, Krishna manage what? Sadhu Sangha. And he is telling Sadhu Sangha. Sarva Shastre koi law matra sadhu sange meaning.
By good fortune, one becomes eligible to cross the ocean of nescience. And when one's term of material existence decreases, one may get an opportunity to associate with pure devotees. By such association, one's attraction to Krishna is awakened.
If you are so fortunate to be in the association of high class of Vaishnava, they will give the same fruit as you are taking so much, making so much labor, so much everything, and you will get in thousands of births. Or sadhu sang what will do? Quickly in a moment you can. So, this sadhu sang is so high. And if you are rejecting how high class of association, it means spoiling your life. If anyone is making some wall, you cannot go to associate and to hear Hari Katha from elevated or high class of Vaishnava, then who is he? He is your enemy. He is like a dragon. Dragon, you know?
Dragon.
What?
Fire breathing.
In ocean, dragon,
Kaliya.
like teeth so much.
Crocodile.
Be far away from them. Don't take any suggestion from them. Only you can do, oh, pranam forever. Like this.
Goodbye.
Oh, Mahat Kripa Bina, 51. Mahat Kripa Bina, कोनो कर्मे भक्ति न. Krishna Bhakti दूर रहा, संसार नहीं खाए. What meaning?
Unless one is favored by a pure devotee, he cannot attain the platform of devotional service. To say nothing of Krishna Bhakti, one cannot even be relieved from the bondage of material existence.
What she told? What is the purport? You should.
Here, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
If you are not understanding,
Raise your hand.
you raise your hand. But here,
Here, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is stressing the
or
importance.
take it very important and try to follow in your life. If you want really bhakti, and if you want to be happy in your life.
Here, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is stressing the importance of sadhu sangha. Unless we have sadhu sangha, the association of pure devotees, hearing from them and serving under their guidance, we will not be able to enter into the path of pure bhakti. We will we'll have a misconception. We'll think that our activities are devotional service, but actually they are mixed with so many types of karma, gnan, yoga, bhakti abhas, the semblance of bhakti, and different forms of things. We'll think this is bhakti, but really it's not. Only by very good association, some discrimination will come in us to understand what is actually Shuddha Bhakti. And if we do not avail ourselves of the association of high level of devotees, what to speak of attaining bhakti, we will not even be able to get out of the cycle of birth and death.
There was a king named Rahugan, very learned person, knowing so many things. And he was going to any high class of devotee like Kapil Dev, himself, incarnation of God, on a palanquin. Anyhow, by his past Sukriti, Bharat Maharaj was there, taking palki. They engaged, and he was going. And he was abusing to Bharat Maharaj, not knowing him that who is he. Oh, you are very lean and thin, you cannot
Walk.
walk.
Carry.
Oh, you know, I am king. I can punish you. I can give you lesson for your whole life. You know, you can. You should try to take palki in well way. And mercifully he told, if there is palki,
Palanquin.
palanquin, then it is to carry, no harm. If you are really king, also to carry your orders, no harm. But you should know. Are you king really? For how many days? When you took birth, you are king, and after your death, you will be king? Or you told that I am very fat. Really, I am not fat. What you are seeing externally, like foolish persons, you are foolish. I am not fat, I am not lean thin. I am more minute than air. More than that. I am not fat, not this or anything. And he told so many good philosophy. And then he was wondered. Oh, please tell me, who are you? And he got up from palanquin and folding his hand. Who are you? Out of pity he told that, have you heard the name of Bharat? After his name, the name of Bharat is Bharatvarsha. One same Bharat. I ruled this whole world for 50,000 years and I left. I am same Bharat. Oh, you are in my dynasty. Oh, same Bharat. And he has now so much faith, honor for him. And then he asked so many questions. And he answered them. Then he became satisfied. And then at last he is telling, Bharat Maharaj instructing him, Rahuganai tattapasana jati na chejya nirvapanad grihatva na chandasa naiva jalat nisurjai bina mahat padarjos. O Rahugan king, hear me. Anyone, without the mercy of any high class of Mahat, Krishna is Mahan. He is Mahan api Mahan. And his devotees are Mahat. So without the mercy of any Mahat, by worshipping sun, fire, demigods, anyone, by his own intelligence doing so many things, even chanting and remembering, you are doing chanting so much. And if you have no mercy of Mahat, then what will be? Authentic bogus things are bhakti. And you will be cheated. Like now, so many are cheated. They thought that, this is only bhakti. Distribution of books only is bhakti and it will take us to Golok Vrindavan. And first number, Brahmananda. His name was written first. In this week you are highest in the top of book distributor. But now where is Brahmananda? Where? He could not understand the mercy of his Gurudev. So, not only, thousands and thousands are devotees like this, thinking that I am doing bhakti, but they are, thousands of miles away from bhakti, real bhakti. If they are chanting, what is that? They chant it. But what was that? Karma. Only karma. Creative karma. And that is why they went and they are testing that creative karma. So, kono karma, if they are coming here,
by any fortune,
coming here, but there are so many false ego. So, all are karma. But if Mahat is there, by only clearing the tools of any devotee, he can be like Narottam Thakur. What he was doing? What he practiced? Or any Mahat like Loknath Goswami. He was clearing only stools. And what became? Oh, Narottam Das. Who is Narottam? Krishna is himself. Narottam. Naranam Uttamam. You know Narottam. Anyone can be like this. Without Mahat Kripa. Naishang Mati Urukrami. Spitsat Anartha. Here also he is telling Mahatpad Rajobhisekam. You should not fight on your chanting. You should not fight on your hearing. You should have faith very strongly to pure devotee. And from their mouth you should hear. And in his guidance you should chant. Very quickly you will be successful. Whatever you do, not only Shravanam Kirtanam Vishnu, school clearing, or only broming or anything doing in their guidance, it will be pure bhakti. So Mahat Kripa, Sadhu Sang. So Mahaprabhu is telling that. Krishna Kripalu Arjuner Lakha Kariya Jagate Rakhya Chen Upadesh Diya. What? 56.
Krishna is so merciful that simply by aiming his instructions at Arjuna, he has given perfection to the whole world.
Sarva Guhya Tamam. Bhuya Sunime Paramam Bacha Isto Asi Me Dirhamiti Tato Bhakshamite Hitam Manmana Bhava Madabhakto Matiyaji Mang Namaskuru Mameva Aishashime Satyam Pratijano Priyasi. This is the essence of whole Gita. Essence of whole Gita. Guhya, Guhyatar, Guhyatam, or Sarva Guhyatam. This is Sarva Guhyatam. This is the essence of Gita. Mahaprabhu not told that it is Bahya. He told only for Sarva Dharman Parityajya Mam Ekam. It is Bahya. But this Manmana Bhav Mad Bhakto, like gopis, Krishna told to Uddhav, my gopis are like this. Mat Ta man manaska Madarthe Tat Daihaka. You should go and pacify. You should not try to pacify by your intelligence and your learning. I am giving some lines for them. Please take it and you should tell to them. You know Manmana Bhava?
Yeah.
I told so many times.
Very beautiful.
No, it will take so much time.
But many here have not heard.
Huh?
Here, so many have not heard.
New people.
Manmana Bhava means, what is the meaning?
Always think of me. Your mind should be focused on me.
How? There was a newly married gopi came from Barshana to Nandagram. No? Nandagram he came. And he has heard that, very beautiful Syamis. And he plays on flute very smiling. If anyone goes, never, he gives his heart or her heart. And he never returns it. One day by chance, Krishna was taking his legs and legs cows and friends who was coming from the very lane, knowingly. For whom? For that.
newly married lady.
Because always she wanted to see Krishna. So Krishna, was passing through that lane. She was in the courtyard with her mother-in-law and sister-in-law. She was ready to go on the street or in the lane, but her mother-in-law was telling her, don't go, Mother, why should I not go? Oh, because there is a very poisonous black snake. He will bite you. You should. And you will see, he will bite. His poison never will
Go out of you.
no down. Oh, why your daughter is going? She went there running. Why you could not check her? I am telling to you, you are new one. You should not go. But why you are going? Keeping me here.
Being so old.
Why so many ladies are going there? Even mothers are going, sisters are going, new married gopis are going. All are going there. Even old persons, blind persons are going. And only he will bite me? Oh, certainly. Oh, you should be here, I am going. He told Raja, sir, oh, I should not wait. I must go. What will be done, I will see last in the, later on. And telling she went. And she was waiting on his door, peeping from behind
the door.
doors. Oh, Krishna, knowingly, he took the tail of any very good calf, and he jumped quickly, and he came very nearer to that newly married gopi, where she was. Oh, only no
eyelid is not coming down.
not coming down. With only one straight he was seeing. Krishna came, smiled, and took his throat and touched here, like this. And she saw Krishna, and by that through eyes, he took her heart and kept in his heart, and quickly ran away from there. This gopi became mad because his mind, attention, heart, everything Krishna took and went away, running. And see, gopi was there, standing and standing.
Like a statue.
Now her mother-in-law came.
Sister-in-law.
What are you doing? I told you that
Don't go.
don't go. I see that that black snake has bite, and the poison is there. Oh, come on with me. Anyhow, she dragged in house. How I should make him incense? She was thinking that very great problem. Oh, she told that go to this house and bring one churning pot, yogurt with yogurt, and you should. Oh, she went inside and took a pot, thinking that this is yogurt pot. But what is really a pot in which it was kept all seed, mustard seed. And she took and began to churn. His mother-in-law again came.
Are you mad?
Told her, what you are doing? I told you to churn yogurt and you are churning these mustard seeds. But even he was not in sense. Krishna has taken her mind and heart. Again he told, oh, come on with me. Very soon. And he gave one water pot here, big. And after that one. And after that one, 3, 4. And he gave also here, 1 pot, 2 pot, 3 pot. And he gave a little boy, his boy, or in this lap. And some rope and some bucket here. And you should go and bring water from that well. Panghat, Panihari Kunda. Anyhow she went, but her mind was where? Where Krishna was. He was not in sense. Taking all, he went to the well. As that is, she practiced to go there, so in practice she went there. She kept that child there, all the vessels there, and took his robe, and he made a nut. And he thought that this boy, no difference in boy and that vessel. And she gave in the neck of that boy. All the so many gopis were there. Oh, what became? What became? Oh, any ghost is there. There is bhoot. Bhoot means? Bhoot. But some though knew this fact. No bhoot. Oh, Nandaput.
Nandaput.
What is the meaning of Nandaput?
Son of Nanda Maharaj.
Oh. He is like a bhoot and he is there. And then anyhow they prohibited and took her to his home. So this is Manmana Bhava. Not ordinary thing. Or so many munis, they want to be like that, Manmana Bhava. Arjun told what? Oh, in battlefield, how can I be like this? Oh, you are telling me to fight with archer? And there are so many enemies. How I can give my mind to you? Then you should do bhakti. Oh, how I can chant and remember? If I am dancing and chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare, they will kill me. And what to do? Then Madhyaji. Oh, you can do worship. Oh, from where I will bring so many paraphernalias? Oh, like ghanta, like this. And again my enemy will kill me. So what to do? Oh, you should not do anything. You should do only one pranam. It is enough. But in what way? In what way? I have surrendered, totally surrendered, offering everything in your Lord. So this is the essence of Srimad Bhagavatam. Or Manmana Bhava. So Mahaprabhu is telling, Manmana Bhava. But how it will be? Format. What is now? Oh. I wanted to explain more, but now it is 7:30. Only I will tell one thing. Oh, श्रद्धा शब्दे विश्वास कहे सुदृढ़ निश्चय कृष्ण भक्ति कैले सर्व कर्म कृत. What is the meaning?
That one should perform bhakti with very firm faith. Sudrida nishchaya means that it should be very firm faith, completely determined. And if one does bhakti in this way with complete faith, all activities, all worldly obligations are fulfilled.
Or something golmal.
Shraddha, the meaning of Shraddha.
What is? विश्वास कहे सुदृढ़ निश्चय.
To have faith, to trust with
To
firm
not
faith.
have. If that is there. Suddhira Nishchay. Any devotee, anyone who has determination, firm determination. What? If I am serving Krishna, chanting Krishna, hearing Krishna, then my whole life is successful. I have done everything. My all jobs, my all kartabya,
Duty and
responsibility,
and
what?
Duty.
Will be done only by chanting Krishna with this faith. This is transcendental faith. Then you will follow Gurudev word, Krishna word, Shastra word. Oh, this is very rare. There is some Shraddha, but our Shraddha is like weak. I know that, some of you, they have real faith, real Shraddha. But some are very weak. Sadhu Sangh can give this real transcendental faith. श्रद्धामान जन है भक्ति अधिकारी उत्तम मध्यम कनिष्ठ श्रद्धा. No. So who is qualified for bhakti? Who? Only those who have these kinds of real shraddha. And according to the level of this faith, bhakta are of three kinds: uttam, madhyam, kanishta. only according to their faith in Krishna. Shastra Jukti Sunipon Dir Shabda. Tomorrow I will explain it in very well way that you should understand and try to follow. I think that you should not return barren. You should take something from here and return with something positive wealth. And that wealth is what? What we are discussing here. And you will be happy. Then you will think that, something is in. And then you will be really adhikari, qualified for real uttama bhakti. You should try to follow all these things. If I am going from here to European countries, here and India, don't think that I have gone. Swamiji is always with you. I am always with you. Or remember us. A power will come. And you should be very strong. Don't feel what?
Weak.
Always chanting, remembering in good way. Try to have this main object of the life. My blessing is there. Always I will pray your Gurudev also, Krishna and our Guru Parampara. Gaur Preman. You should be ready for Brahma play.
Hare Krishna. Attention please. Tomorrow we will have sacrifice under guidance of Gurudev and combined effort of Sripad Pundari Prabhu, Sripad Aranya Maharaj and myself. It will be just after 8:30 will take place. And tomorrow afternoon program, Bajranath will announce just now.
Tomorrow our class in the afternoon, because it is our last day, and the next morning we have to leave very early. So it is also Sunday, so everyone can come. We will start just at 4 o'clock. So class will be finished at 6 o'clock. And prasada will be served also early, so that everyone can take rest in time. And next morning we have to go early to the airport. So we request all of you, please pass this on to anyone who you know who is interested to come and be here in time just at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Thank you.
Haribol, I just want to make a very short announcement that for those of you who are not already on the Hari Katha mailing list and getting Srila Gurudev's lectures into your own home computer every couple of days, there are sheets on the back book table with instructions of what buttons you press on your computer, and then those wonderful things will happen. Thank you.
Haribol, for people needing rides to Jacksonville Airport, for our rides to Jacksonville Airport, we'll be keeping a list or roster on the wall of the playroom. We have a big dry marker board. People can also get rides to the airport from 4 o'clock in the morning on Monday. That's it.
Sonaka gives you a present.
That's from Prahlad. We made about 50 of them. Give out free.
Yes. He wants to donate that to the devotees. He brought 50. He wants to give it
No
free
rights to
to the
Orlando.
devotees. One for
Well,
you.
we might, but you'll have to pay. I don't know. Because
You're going to bring that chair back? Fortune. Whether you can meet your Prana Vallabha, the Lord of your hearts.
After carefully arranging 2 seats on the veranda of Radharani's kunj, Lalita requested the sannyasi to take his seat there. Then Radharani came. She was wearing a veil because she never looks at the face of any man. No male person can see the face of Srimati Radhika but Krishna. Lalita made her sit down and then held out Radha's hand.
I'm not an ordinary man.
The sannyasi went on and on. Finally, Vishaka agreed, and Lalita lifted the veil. Immediately, Krishna's form came up. The sannyasi form disappeared. Now he was standing in his threefold bending form, with flute, peacock feather, yellow garments, and nice ornaments. Then, Krishna's eyes fell on the eyes of Srimati Radhika. Immediately, all her sulkiness disappeared.
Oh, Radha, I went to Chandravali's Kunj just to increase your attachment for me. Thereby your leftist mood is heightened, and I get some pleasure. Your highest mood has been expressed today. I can find no other means to break your sulkiness. Therefore, I put on the sannyasi dress and became a beggar, begging fame. Oh, Radha, you have such love for me. You have cut all domestic ties, which are very difficult to break. I cannot repay back this debt. So please, let your own glorious deeds be your compensation.
O Radha Krishna Prana Mora Jugala Kishora Jivani Marane Gati Yara Nani Radha Krishna Prana Mora Jugala
Very good drama play. I think this has been taken from Gaur Gobind Maharaj anywhere. Ashleshwabhadaratam Vinashtamam. This is the last sloka of Sikshavastaka. Oh, highest class of rude Mahabhav. Very rare for Lalita Vishakha also that mood. Even for Lalita. This mood is not in Krishna. That is why he came in the shape of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So the service of Radhika as a gopi, highest mood, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to give this mercifully. Unnata Ujjala Rasang Swabhakti Sri. This is not ordinary thing. Very highest. So, you should try to understand these modes. You can understand only in high class Rashik Bhavuk devotee in their association. Not even you can have it even in Krishna, by Krishna. No. Only anyone in the line of Srimati Radhika, having the mercy of Radhika, Lalita, Vishakha, Rukmini, very rare. You have played this drama very high class, so my heartily blessings to you. And also teach all learn all these things. You also try to realize what is this in high class of this. And by this drama play, if you have any little grade for this, to have Radha Dasya, or this is Krishna Prem Prayojan. For this Swamiji also came to sprinkle his mercy. But very rare were qualified for this. So he cut the jungle. And then he implored me to go and help the devotees. So your mode only be one pointed. This Krishna prema. My heartfelt blessings for all, especially for you. You should try to realize and develop your Krishna consciousness. Gaur Premanand.